There's Henny's daughter. Hi. No, I'm not talking on the phone. I'm just videotaping you if you'll just stay still. No, don't get that close. You look like a monster. Yeah, her mother's molting, so she's not the prettiest right now. And she just got done. Looked like she just got done molting. You can see all the feathers have changed on the back of her head. I hope she's going to get down too. Everybody just wants to warm up their feet on me. These are, what, 5 of my females? Where's the other one at? You guys all come out. Well, here's the rooster. Oh, I hear another one around. I don't know.